Hello, my people. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening from Untouchable Mama. How una day? Also, na dey enjoy yourself. Na pele pele. Na bini I wan still use today. Me I talk to my ni gwale teme gwan. I wan watch Emi ati ebe Facebook ba. I just dey shame. Ekwe wa mume. Ekwe wa mume ne Destiny Star. Ekwe wa mume nugwa. Why would the better we superstar wa hin? Because we are make gbo talk. Call you on social media. Then what ye ba the social media? Then what ye ba? Esta who we me? That is uje protect egbe we. Wo na umo man one time man. Na your thing. Na your thing. Don't want wait do ata. Oh my God! Wa when ya? Iya wa gele mi wa for the social media. Wa make gbo talk. Wa make gbo talk. Wa can sleep pass. Ni ma wa ya mujo mure. Don't want the social media ni. Don't want ota we toto dike tie nu do zenu no we. Or not bad a two face tie nu do call nu do zenu no we. Or Davido. Or even one ni kere ni de na no ve no de ve ave this thing ani we e free me na. Iye geletie. Bo isi egbo ni re a lawyer reva a judge reva. Abi yan ha seto wa yan ha do give wa ebe no heke no gaje. Ehuwa wa mume. Respect to Sandra Agbogun. Nika lele kedwa de mamio kirona gwa. Ya we me maladi an no ene no nya. Why dey nwa? Common sense una no get. Common gwa egwa. Ima blame Monica because inuna ge onwina. Ima blame me because when I come in ngwana ga ni wa mana tie da do ga ko nyoge. Do ma no ha ta mo wa no wa do tie no wa do zenu no wa da mo wa han yimia. E ma no he ke no wa yimia kata ina we tafia maje. Do we na Esther do we na de yimia oma. Sandra we ya tama we Sandra na ni e di ja tagi. Do ma no ha tama. O na ma we look bobo. Ria mi ma me ma no look bobo. Ria mi ma no mo church ja hu. Ọ wa mwenya hu enye kwele ba ema wele ba no da fon e daddy o te pastor e beto da fon no wa ti e daddy so woman no how to explain only man na your whole thing be that emi we wa ni hin sense una no get but una wa claim who wa engbe local champion o wa hin local one to be calling and be explain who do I explain egbe we adame audio ne e ma no heke no gwanjo nya ti ya gwanjo e social media who are gonna fall in many people's hands. Yeah, when many people are say, Madam, you're all too much. But I'm not taking no time. They Destiny guitar. Destiny, ya watch a video ni. Ya give any Monica Yahweh. Even all we wear. Don't know woman black me, if ya give no Yahweh. Shame on you, Destiny. Shame on you. And you never not my Destiny, Hey, ta woman black me, ma. Because him no logo we here na wo yobo we see and who are no way me dan ya imi ya na tabe social media call them ge na ni imi ani gegele so get so take we ladia no ya imi ani a forgive you because wuri go we very on no go we very on ata mu wa hu ya ge no ya wa we no ya we o ko mehi o man cause you no be na say ma blame Monica because Egba cause wa later we Monica la dia no give ma call ni ma yimi ma because in we na get no I blame me in we na get no ti la dia wo ma so wa do full egbo wa ya la dia no wa make na full egbo wa do full egbo wa you get respect this and don't come call anybody you can watch that he made the mistake I believe the woman made the mistake or my call man don't no tama don't no gugun okay tama mani do settle mani do give the solution no heke no here no now we rioke kenoje because industry ni wa ya kokoje at least aga mi o ma no ino nwa egbe ba ni me na sunu na we na mi ya fefe na ladi ana o ke no wa ri o wa ya time ba ni na tare social media ya ge vivi ehun ya waji ma ya koyokoro be social media be ni people ojuju nenemi gbogbo I just ehu na wa mu me okay da me o ye do me hin but love me o si ogbon si ni ya egun also na zero me you ni aze they say nine nenemi no ya ma wa gun ye don ko is very na me make na we na we o wa gele da me wa do who are falling many people hands I ha mo we na wo nu wa agba ye gbe social media wa la dia bu we do ma no ha get am o ma be na we then bring your matter come call in Yeah, come call in ye mani oguji, o mani betie. Because yanga word una be local. Local wa because we know we get a local. After the insult, after the gbogbo, you carry phone. Am I black and anybody? I want to say sorry to everybody. Don't want to say sorry, man. Don't say sorry to anybody. Am I no offend? Go and say sorry to them. Sorry when who get a powerful one. I want to say sorry to everybody. No. Uma offend me. Me no gwana. Oma no who offend you, oma ni toge. Oma no we offend. O si enya, when you so we doma no ma na no offend na. Bo ma ni no ya enya. Enya beta mama go ma no ma offend no ya enya. Oma no offend. Oma no offend nim na ni gele da. No gele da so boloko. Bo ma ni ya enya. No do ata in social media. O we wa fuck up. Destiny. You fuck up. Because when we have na ata the way is true. I never no offend ni go and meet them. Ya vigwe va yo to ya yin ya ni afọ give ni agere ka mo we ma ja bo we ne even ijo ho no bienwe destiny mo yitamu we na even ho no bienwe ya yin ya wa bi je me bi time awe inu ma na yin ya ne me we gbeku igwe ya vigwe yo to ya yin ya because unu we or drive it too much rough ege we wa ge obo that is mo bo no pe nu e o me kene bo we se o be expire. Una ya don't like beweji is a different thing. Una ya we me down when we ya esi ma koto nu ya mi o ma wo. So na bo hands on virgin ya we very na. So just go and beg. Ya imi ame ma no offend. Ma na ame ma ni social media. Ma no je oja ho no. O ma serve ni because e me so ro wa we mi. O we tu gwalinye mi enu we ta the social media. I just want to wa forgive. No honey. O we tu gwalinye mi enu riri bio boji e du no de o ma go wa gun wa ri wa do aye gbo wa do amu egbo wa gbo to the social media wa do fuck up Esther noro Esther itama we na wunu we bungbe do ha yin yo ma go and meet Sandoka enu tiny u ba ta o gele ta o go and meet her o yi ma we wo vi je me ya bo we ne enwi no ni o yi mo me na then wa do ata the social media then we do him ya down we do him the social media the man we do ta mania we who protective we gbe we na kesu no a abiji ma be ge ni etinya rule because em no wa believe no he said it gbovo wejo because em ni me believe me ya anwe mi ona anwe na ni me so fama yari ya wa fuck up iwa mi wa na we sit there all ya la diania and egbon la dia nenemi you are wanted don't call enya judge owuwa abiyan omanuwe oh god I'm so disappointed disappointed because wa ya wake up wa that call they been we get talivani omanuwe offend you only forgetting ya no erio omanuwe who offend go and meet that person nu imi jabone emna make sure we imiani oge ri one no oge jeje one oga kwenu wa do we mi ati eni don't know why you offend the social media. Why not offend anybody in social media? Why we offend no waru we no gete go and meet those people no why ya and what do agbe yo gbere the social media na am wa yo be na mo only always say no I love again na because nike watch me we Sandoka calling name no imamio di mio maybe ma dekun maybe ma dekun but I respect her because I ya na watana mama bo because so respected gbe to ma giyan so ma because do we ya hari ba ni ya full egbe me when we insult no me be ba ni just to call the way me no Sandoka boy ka wa khara kwa kpiri when we na call him no then wa ma me insult you wa ma insult wa wise Sandoka no wise no we I go there me Sandoka go the call no di ma ha time I table wa ebi o keke no je oni o ya mo no reason no nerere gba na ade gbiri na ho de ni ati eni be audio ni no bloody care don't no care wa look gbogbo ne gbe we wa le mo church yan hu we mo yan hu because me ne me so ya look gbogbo ne gbe yan eri so wa ya that the church yan wa vuwe yan mo yan mu yan don't no judge yan emi no believe you know all manuel good all ma be manuel na yo life we no so wa fuck up wa fuck up I beg because so say na ti wa local champion I beg local one no ha get aminyana emi any boy otinya we call o wa gele wa dey phone wa call me na agboya na wa down yo I beg you mo na wa pack gbo wa say wa get respect wa at least when I dey him wa kere we I dey him wa kere even myself am na ka me we you are called by the name am e bi o hani who be you we go call me dey bo se gba ni re you the any kind doctor ma we di ma me ni ma ta o dawe lawyer o dawe a judge it was this grace egbe me no ma say no not here but no yan ta we shut up there you fool you ojuju you nene I beg my brothers and sisters I be here when you want because having yana when na can ya test ahwe social media again yana ne nwe social media again yana ne nwe ya wa ti ni yan to let day e ke no he ke no na ya tene o ta ba ni ju ale ulmo egbe we gbo to o let egbe we down wa let egbe we down e go so wa pa we moving me ba ni eya gele like again na re o ti ne call again na no re no do agwoda fun e Denmark you get a love again, you know, bien na that again now that you usun wa le no we film me ni ya si e lo pe mi lase o ma to wa sin e den na wo ya ga me kino jivani me je ni e sasume ni ati ge na bi me na si ese me na ti ese e ni ati o gele tan moto e ri o ma do mo o ma to wa sin e gbe na le me respect uginya me gbikin ginya talo ya mabu ajo wa ni do force wenu do temi no ma keke no ta abeg my people una wise ma se social media ma be talo ri ma na ma pa o ma no gele wi yan we ne san do kaje na ha we ni ele ti o ma ro pa ma na yan so wa yan ma ni han bu any me respect do atale gbe me ma wa we Italy be ma gian e se così gbogo me o abeg my brothers and sisters wa bye from Otonshebo mama unwa ye me de ye wa akwenya be de ya be tutu wa be la de do ansa abeje boy avie we wa ni wa na enwe